Anyone that tells you this always works, whether it be some cure or some training method, is either a liar or doesn't know what he is talking about. The steps you need to follow include the first, which is just teach your dog basic obedience. If you have a yard you can work in, you should use it for training. He will become more territorial as he learns to obey your commands while working in that area. Be sure to teach basic commands like sit, down, stay, and leave it, and you should also teach him to bark on command. The second thing you need to do is teach impulse control. When you have a visitor, he should sit on command, lie down, then watch as the person comes in. Teach impulse control so that he does not have to run over, jump up, and try to play. The next step is to run the property boundaries with your dog. You should do this every day at the end of your obedience lessons. Your dog will learn his territory and be familiar with the land he should be protecting. The fourth thing is to leave your dog alone in the area he needs to guard. When your dog is trained and old enough to be confident, usually about 8 months for most dogs, start teaching him to guard the house. Number 5 is to have someone come up and make some noise. If you have left him in the front yard, for example, the person can come up and knock on the fence. If he is in the house, the person should come up and knock on a window. This needs to be a person that the dog is not familiar with. If your dog smells the person and it is someone he knows, the training session will be of no benefit. The sixth step is that when the dog approaches and barks, the person needs to make a sound like they are frightened and run off. All you are doing at this point is increasing the dog's confidence. If the person reports that the dog walked up to the fence with their tail wagging and did not bark or show any other signs of guarding his territory, you can try this again. Number 7 is to do it again the next day. Keep practicing every day if you can. It is hard for me to tell you exactly how long it is going to take for your dog to build up his confidence since they are individuals, but I have seen dogs that are fine after a few days and others that need to practice every weekend or off day for a few months. When the dog is barking at the stranger, you should do this again when you are in the house. When the person makes a noise and runs off, go outside and praise the dog and then give him a special treat.